This panel needs realignment before the next phase. Make sure the torque is calibrated.
Ensure the torque is set exactly as specified here.
Confirmed. Applying the setting now.
The stabilization system on line 3 is showing a minor fluctuation.
Reroute the diagnostics immediately.
The stress fractures on the wing spar are still too high at Mach 0.8.
We need to adjust the composite layering in section gamma.
The wing assembly requires reinforcement here.
Yes, the data confirms the stress fracture risk. Ensure the next batch is adjusted.
نصب موتور تموم شد.
بله، همه چیز عالیه. آماده تست نهانی هستیم.
باشه، آروم بیارش پایین. یک کم دیگه به چپ.
We must accelerate production to 300 units per month.
The guidance system is the bottleneck. The guidance system is the bottleneck.
این درس تولرنس را چک کن.
اوکی است ولی این یا استرس داتا را ببین.
دوباره ایرودینامیکس را محاسبه کن.
این قسمت نیاز به بررسی بیشتر داره. دما خیلی بالاست.
بله، تب نقشه ها اینجا یک اتصال حیاتی است. بازت گزارش کنیم.
The trailing edge measurement is still outside tolerance.
Let's recalibrate the CMM and rescan the section.
Check the alignment on panel 7. It's within tolerance.
The tolerance here is slightly off. Let me check the specifications again. It should be within the required range. The thermal imaging confirms the stress concentration at joint 4.
Yes, the telemetry data aligns perfectly with the simulation.
Look at the data from the borescope. The connection on panel 4 seems unstable.
Confirmed. The multimeter shows a clear voltage drop there. Check the tolerances on the trailing edge.
Looks precise. The calibration holds.
I've connected the main harness to the control unit here. Are you sure about the routing of this specific wire? The schematic suggests a different path.
مطمئن شوید که محکم است. بله، داریم سفتش می‌کنیم.
Ensure the gimbal stabilizes before we lock the thrusters. Check the telemetry readout here.
Reading stable. Proceeding to the next step.
A little to the left.
Okay, it's aligning now.
Secure the first bolt.
Secure that bundle tightly right there.
Okay, it's fastened. Looks good.
The power distribution module here seems inconsistent with the schematic.
Yes, the voltage regulator on channel 3 is showing a slight deviation.
بررسی کامل شد. همه چیز عالی به نظر میاد. اطلاعات رو بارگراری کنید و پنل رو ببندید.
Ensure the straps are fully tensioned.
Confirmed. The unit is secure for transport.
The signal lock is stable.
Confirmed. Logging the parameters now.
The power distribution on the EW system is unstable here.
Rerouting the signal path now. It looks stable.
پایداری الکتریکی تو این فرکانس پایینه.
فرستنده رو چک کردم، الان تنظیمش میکنم.
System check complete. We have a green status across the board.
Confirmed. Locking in the results now.
All systems are nominal.
Confirmed. Electronics check complete.
آروم بیارش بالا. باشه. جا افتاد.
Alignment looks perfect across all points.
Confirmed on the main screen. The calibration is complete.
Excellent work, gentlemen. How is the alignment on this panel?
It looks good. Let's secure it.
This section has an issue. Check the depth gauge.
Okay, I am recording it. It is fine.
The avionics check is complete. All systems are nominal.
Good, we can proceed with the final wing attachment.
این قسمت بال نیاز به بررسی دقیق تر داره. بله، من الان یادداشت میکنم.
The altitude is dropping rapidly on drone 7.
Check the fuel status now. The stabilization matrix is fluctuating slightly.
It seems within tolerance.
Look, system check complete.
The alignment looks good now. Check the redundancy.
Confirmed. All systems are within tolerance.
Look at the analyzer. The encryption handshake is successful.
Confirmed. Data throughput is stable at maximum range.
Check the alignment on this side. Looks good. The final component is secured.
Gyroscope readings are stable across all axes.
Good. Proceed with the final inspection.
The wiring and housing are secure. Check the telemetry data.
Readings are stable across all parameters.
Easy now. Align it with the platform.
Watch the stabilizers.
It's secure, Commander.
Zoom in on the red zone on the map. The drone deviated significantly from the course.
Pulling up the diagnostics now. We are showing a guidance system malfunction.
Check the telemetry on Unit 7. We have a slight deviation.
Compensating now. Trajectory is stabilizing.
This component is causing the bottleneck in the assembly line. We must optimize this immediately.
I agree. We can modify the design slightly to speed up production.
Check the tolerance on the trailing edge. It's within the parameters according to the diagnostic. Look here on the schematic. We need to adjust the trajectory parameters immediately.
I see it. Rerouting the sequence now.
Simulation sequence initiated. Monitoring telemetry.
Data streams look nominal. Check the power curve on Unit 3.
Protocol confirms green status.
Ready for connection.
Port diagnostics are clear. Proceed.
Connection secured.
We have full system lock.
The altitude is dropping too fast. Check the fuel pressure.
I am seeing a spike in engine temperature, correlating now.
The telemetry shows a spike in the auxiliary engine output.
Rerouting power now. Maintain stabilization.
Look at the deviation here. It spikes significantly during the descent phase.
It appears to be localized to the primary guidance chip. Check the voltage regulator.
The vibration levels are stable at this RPM.
Yes, the propulsion assembly is secure. We can proceed with the high power test.
Careful adjustment on channel 3. Tell me when it stabilizes.
Holding steady now. Switching to internal power. Confirmation successful.
The readings are all within tolerance.
Excellent. Let's seal it up and move to the calibration phase.
All parameters are within tolerance. The Shahed drone meets the standards.
Excellent. We can begin the next phase.
Zoom in on grid reference 45B.
Confirmed. Zooming now. Recalculating trajectory.
The voltage on auxiliary rail
3 is fluctuating slightly outside the threshold.
Right.
The drone is fully operational and ready for testing, sir. All systems are nominal.
Proceed with launch preparations.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the tail fin.
Copy that. Watching the load.
Reroute Group B through Sector Gamma.
Confirmed. Adjusting trajectory now.
Check the alignment quickly.
Cable secured, sir.
Tilt to 4 to 5 degrees.
Verify the engine mount connection.
It's secure. All systems check out for launch.
Cradle is moving on schedule.
Confirmed. Doorway clearance in 2 minutes.
اوکی ارون باش چشم داره میریم رستش کن خوب شد
Check the laser alignment on your end.
It's perfectly level.
All right, signal the crane to retract. A little lower on your side. Watch the clearance. It's clear. Clamps engaged. Ready for launch.
Look here, the connection on the fuel injector seems loose.
The pressure readings on the schematic confirm a leak. I've checked the telemetry readings on the primary channel.
Adjusting the frequency. It's stable now.
Good. Diagnostics complete.
The data stream is stable now. Look at the altitude readings.
I see it. Cross-reference with the tactical map immediately. We're showing a data spike near the target zone. Reroute to altitude 500 meters.
Confirmed. Adjusting flight parameters now. Telemetry stable.
We are clear for launch. Ensure all personnel are clear of the blast zone. Roger that, Supervisor. All clear.
Cable disconnected.
Confirmed. Pre-flight checks are green.
Engine spooling up. We are go for launch. Power curve is nominal. Look at the vibration dampening.
Reading steady. The modification is working.
Target trajectory shifting east. Confirm sensor lock.
Confirmed. Updating flight path now.
We have confirmation on the target, Commander.
Maintain current altitude and proceed to the next waypoint.
پایداری عالی است. به نظر می‌رسد آماده پرواز است. بله قربان. تمام آزمایشات موفقیت آمیز بود.
Check the trajectory at waypoint 3. There's a slight deviation.
Confirmed. The navigation system has recalibrated. Data recorded successfully.
Testers, we are seeing significant thermal spiking during the ascent phase here.
Yes, but the energy consumption stabilizes immediately.
All systems nominal. The flight profile was executed perfectly. Excellent work. We can finalize the report.
Check the telemetry data at the moment of impact. The altitude correlates with the target lock.
Confirmed. The deviation was minimal. The landing sequence initiated on time.
The telemetry readings are stable now.
Good. Check the fuel levels again before we move it.
Ensure the nose cone is secured.
The telemetry on Flight 34B shows a significant spike here.
The altitude data confirms the deviation.
Verify the stress points on the wing structure immediately.
Final check on the coupling. Telemetry is stable. We are ready.
We have confirmation on all systems. This unit is cleared for operational deployment.
Excellent. The data is logged and signed off.
Straps secure. Move out.
Doors are closing behind us.
Check the coating near the wingtip. Are the readings stable?
Reorganization completely stable. It is ready for sealing.
Applying torque now.
Confirmed. The casing is secure.
The humidity levels here are slightly elevated according to the sensor.
Yes, but still within the acceptable range. Let's check the temperature gradient.
Slow down for the turn here. Pushing from the back, keep going. Clear on the right.
Check the wiring harness near the servo.
It appears slightly loose, but within tolerance, according to the tablet specs.
Check the serial numbers on that stack again. Ensure they match the digital record.
Yes, Colonel. The count is accurate.
Ensure the weight is balanced. Secure that forward strap now.
We need more tension on this chain, boss.
Use the long bar. And hurry up, we're on a tight schedule. Lower it slowly, watch the wing. Secure the chains now. Tighten the binders.
فعالسازی مسیر شماره 2. الان. چشم قربان. فعال شد.
Check the nose cone attachment point again, technician. We must ensure stability during transport.
It's secure, engineer. The transport cradle is ready to roll.
Keep it steady, watch the right side.
50 centimeters clearance. Slow down.
All units have reached the staging area on schedule.
Excellent. The delivery status is green across the board.
The temperature readings are stable.
Good. The lashings look secure. Lower it slowly, align with the mounts.
We are aligned.
Looks good. Secure the clamps now.
Is the navigation system fully calibrated for the target coordinates?
Yes, status is green across all units.
Elevons are responding correctly. Confirm the navigation systems are fully aligned.
Confirmed. The drone is ready for operation, engineer.
Readiness systems online. All parameters indicate go for launch.
اتصال خط سوخت اینجا چک کن. مطمئن شو فشار پایه داره.
We have positive stabilization on drone group 3.
Confirmed. All units show green status. Ready for deployment. Final system checks complete. Prepare the fleet for deployment.
The calibration on the guidance system is off by 2 degrees.
Adjust the parameters on CNC machine 4 immediately.
We must increase output by 20%.
The supply chain vulnerability is critical. We cannot risk delays.
I have the updated figures. We can manage it.
Okay, that's secure. Perfect, we are good to go.
Secure the panel here before we proceed. Ensure the coupling is tight.
Confirmed. Moving to the next stage.
The internal wiring harness here seems slightly exposed.
Okay, I see that. I will make a note for the next phase.
Verify the connection point for the navigation system right here. Confirmed. Diagnostics are clear. System is operational.
The wing mount area looks secure. Good.
Mark the checklist and send it through the scanner.
This series of the Shahed drone meets all parameters.
Confirmed. The final checks are positive.
Then we have final approval.
Make sure the guidance system is secured before crating.
We are running low on the composite sealant over here.
The throughput on the fuselage assembly has increased by 15% this quarter.
Yes, the calibration adjustments improve the tolerances significantly.